Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, power moonroof, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.